KUTV, human remains were found on Chad Daybell's property in Rexburg, Idaho, police confirmed on Tuesday. The remains have not been identified and no other information about what was discovered on the property was released. Police say they will give an update when the remains are identified. Daybell was taken into custody for questioning more than 3 hours after law enforcement officers arrived at his home to serve a search warrant in regards to his wife Lori Vallow Daybell's missing children, 17-year-old Tylee Ryan and 8-year-old Joshua J.J. Vallow. Later Tuesday, sheriff's officials confirmed Daybell was arrested and held on at least one felony charge, though they would not confirm what Daybell is charged with. He is being held without bond, officials told Kelly Vaughan. He is expected to appear in a closed court hearing on Wednesday at 11 a.m. As of 5 p.m. Tuesday, charges against Daybell had not been filed with Idaho's 7th Judicial District, according to an email from Trial Court Administrator Tammy D. White. Fremont County Sheriff's deputies, officers with the Rexburg Police Department, and FBI agents arrived at Daybell's residence at approximately 7 a.m. on the 200 block of 1900 East, according to a statement from the Rexburg Police Department. The two children have not been seen since September 2019. Ryan was last seen in Yellowstone National Park with her mother, uncle, and brother in September 2019. JJ was last seen alive on September 23 at school, the day before his mother informed administrators that JJ would no longer be a student there. She said she would be homeschooling him, previously released court documents state. We have not been able to find any witnesses who have seen JJ since September 24, 2019, police wrote in the probable cause statement. Authorities began investigating the children's disappearance after Vallow's biological grandmother, Kay Woodcock, asked police to conduct a welfare check in November. Police reported they spoke with Lori and Chad Daybell about the children's whereabouts before the couple also seemingly disappeared. Police obtained search warrants for Vallow Daybell's apartment. Ryan and Vallow were not found. Investigators did, however, find Vallow's prescription for risperidone, a tranquilizer to treat irritability caused by autism. They also noted most of Vallow Daybell's clothing had been removed from her apartment. They believed she and Daybell left Rexburg on the night of November 26. Melanie Boudreau, Lori Vallow Daybell's niece, later confirmed this to police. The next day, investigators searched Vallow Daybell's storage unit in Rexburg. They found a blanket with pictures of JJ, a blanket with pictures of Tylee, a backpack with JJ's initials, toys appropriate for a young boy, winter clothing, a photo album, a scooter, children's clothing, and bikes. Daybell's parents, Jack and Sheila Daybell of Springville, Utah, told police in November that their son and his new wife, Vallow Daybell, said she was an empty nester, court documents state. Tammy Daybell's sister, Samantha Gwilliam, also told police that she believed Vallow Daybell had no juvenile children. In January, law enforcement officials located the Daybells on the island of Kauai in Hawaii. There were no signs of the children, except Ryan's cell phone which was in Lori's possession, court documents stated. That same month, authorities searched Chad Daybell's property. They took 43 items as evidence. Lori Vallow Daybell was ordered by the courts to produce her children, but failed to do so. She was arrested on a warrant issued by authorities in Madison County, Idaho. Related, close friend offers inside information about Lori Vallow and Chad Daybell's beliefs. She was charged with 2 felony counts of desertion and non-support of dependent children, according to Kauai police. She was also charged with resisting or obstructing officers, criminal solicitation to commit a crime, and contempt of court. Lori Vallow Daybell was held on a $5 million bond and was extradited back to Idaho, where a judge later lowered her bond to $1 million. She is currently in Madison County Jail.